So what you do is, for example, you have a list here, x equals to square brackets, and I will just write, and I can just simply print the list, okay, just to see, and it's as if I have written it's printed. Now let's begin and let's move on to the next step. Create a square brackets within x as if I was finding the index number, and I can slice it by using the columns. So I have one number on the left of column and on the right of column. So I can say 0 here, and I can say 2 here, for example. So the first number is the starting point of the list that will be printed. So 0 is Monday, okay, and so I'll just write that for reference 4, okay. So 0 is Monday, so it will start by printing Monday, and then 2 is 0, 1, 2 is Wednesday. It will never print the Wednesday part because it's written to this uh, right hand side of the colon is never printed. Everything before the 2 will be printed. So let's play that, and we can see that Monday and Tuesday is printed. It never prints whatever is on the right hand side of the colon. So if I have 3, so Thursday won't get printed. So anything that I write on the right hand side won't be printed. Okay, and you can see it ends up till Wednesday until 2nd. 3rd is not being printed. And anything that I print on right on the left hand side of the colon, the list will start from that um, point. So if I want to start it from 2, okay, um, it will print like that. It will start from 2, and it will never print the third part because I have written minus 5. So I'll just bring this, align this a little bit. Minus 2, okay, that's fine. So now if I want, I can start from my starting point could be Tuesday minus 4, okay, and my ending point could be Friday minus 1. So this will start the list from minus 4, which is Tuesday, and my ending is Friday, so it will leave Friday and it will print up till Thursday. So let's see. Yes, so you can see it started from Tuesday, which is minus 4, and it will carry on to minus 3, minus 2, and then it won't print minus 1 because I have it written here. Okay, x square brackets, and then I will just write Tuesday's 1, so that's the starting point, and I will just say 4 is Friday. So I just want to check if the backwards minus list is equals to the positive one, so it says true. You can also have a look because Tuesday is 1 and minus 4, and Friday is 4 and minus 1. Okay, that I want to finish at 4, but I won't state the starting point. So it will never include Friday because it's on 4, but it will assume that we are starting from 0. So I don't need to write 0. It will assume like that. So it printed from Monday to Thursday, and if I leave that part and I say that it should start from 0, so it will assume that there's no ending. It will print the whole list. Okay, 0 to something, plus x of I can say that it's up till 3, and I can say slice that, okay, and it means that up till 3 will never be included, but it also starts with 3. It writes the whole thing because if you have a look, I have written that not to include 3. It will assume it will go from 0, 1, 2. The first part will go from 0, 1, 2, plus the second part will start from 3, and there's no ending, so it will continue. So the first part will be Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. The second part, we add the second part, and it starts from 3. So Thursday will be included, Friday will be included. So it prints the whole list. What I can do is I can just add two columns, and I can just say -1, and you can see that it's a backward printing of the same list. Friday in X, it will say true. So if Friday is in the list, it will say true. If I say Fred is in the list, it will say false. So you can see if something is in the list, say the X multiplied by 4, and what will happen, it will print the list 4 times. Okay, so this is one time, this is second time, third time. So you can see the list is being printed 4 times because I have just not there already. I can add, for example, 1, 2 integers if I want. So I have just said x plus 1, 2. So it will be added at the end of the list like that. Okay. And x, so len will give me total number of items in the list, which is 5, because Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, it's 5 days. So it gives me 5 answer. I can say the min in the list. I can find out that it will say Friday is the min. Okay, because appears before T, W, and M. So it's the smallest one. The largest one, it will give me Wednesday. Appears after T, M, and F. So it's the largest one.